There are cosmic powers playing in a sacred portal in time. We then can touch infinity. In the light of the infinite, we are limitless, outstanding, whole. In the light of the infinite, our multidimensionality is real. Our bountiful nature is tangible. Let's bring it to life. You are invited to cross the Lion's Gate portal in a great gathering, a luminous experience, a space to connect as a soul tribe, to dance, sing, pray, and be nourished with light and frequencies, to weave a network with so much heart that it lasts for life. A portal to shift trajectories, to anchor profoundly in the truth of who we are, to move to a higher timeline where freedom and synchronicity dwell. A space where we step into our next level embodiment of our divine presence, one that reshapes the geometry we create with and enhance our signature as leaders of light, where paradise is as it has always been.